Welcome back to 50 Car. This isn't just a car, it's an icon sculpted in steel and prestige. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G63 isn't about subtlety. It's a rolling statement of power, heritage, and unapologetic luxury that turns every road into a personal runway. Main features. The 2025 G63 carries its AMG DNA with pride. Beneath the boxy silhouette lies a handcrafted 4.0L twin-turbocharged V8 pushing 577 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. Paired with AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, it merges off-road dominance with on-road finesse. Adaptive damping and AMG RIDE CONTROL ensure even mountains feel like gentle curves. Exterior design. It starts with that upright, aggressive grille, brushed metal bars surrounding the illuminated three-pointed star. Round LED headlamps retain classic charm, while redesigned bumpers and vented side fenders speak modern aggression. Sharp creases sculpt the body, finishing with matte black 22-inch wheels and quad side exit exhausts. Pros: iconic, intimidating, and unmistakably G-Class. Cons: aerodynamics still take a back seat to style. Interior and dashboard design. Open the door, listen to that mechanical thunk. Inside, you're wrapped in Napa leather, ambient lighting, and carbon fiber. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster blends seamlessly into the infotainment display. Heated and ventilated massage seats, Burmester 3D surround sound, and a new off-road interface elevate both luxury and utility. Pros: extravagant comfort and cutting-edge tech. Cons: rear visibility and step-in height can challenge some drivers. Performance. Unleashing 0-60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, the G63 defies physics for a vehicle of its size. It's electronically limited to 137 miles per hour, but with the AMG driver's package, that jumps to 149 miles per hour multi-mode drive. Settings allow switching between comfort, sport, and rock-crawling madness. Pros: thunderous power, athletic handling. Cons: fuel economy remains disappointing, and frequent tire changes are a reality for aggressive drivers. Market positioning. Starting near $180,000, the 2025 G63 targets affluent professionals and enthusiasts age 35-60 seeking legacy, performance, and status. Competitors like the Range Rover SV and Lamborghini Urus rival it in flair, but the G63 owns heritage. The drive? Addictive. It feels like a tank in a tuxedo. Additional features. Optional night package, AMG carbon trim, digital rear-view mirror, and extended service plans are offered. Warranty: for years 50,000 miles, but extended coverage is recommended due to high maintenance costs.